Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to start a series where we build this, what you see in the background, mealy.io. It's a weekly meal planner with recipe functions and so on. And I want to try to build this with Bolt.diy. So let's start. Okay, we are now here in Bolt. I will first show you my settings so you can adapt if you want. So I have context optimization on, auto stack template on, and I use the optimized prompt in this case. I prepared here a little prompt we want to use. It's build a weekly meal planner with advanced function and outstanding modern responsive UI UX, and some features like the planner with a calendar, the recipe page, shopping list. I want to use mock data for now, and it should use React and Tailwind CSS. What I do next, let me do it a bit bigger. I click on Enhance Prompt. Let's do this so we get a better prompt we can send to the LLM. So as you can see, it's more detailed now. You can review it, but I will remove that because I don't like the drag and drop feature. Well, let's use add model to for meal assignment, and let's fire it up. As you can see, it imported the file, so it used the starter template, so we get hopefully better results than starting from scratch. I will pause the video until it's finished, and we are back soon. Okay, it's nearly done. Let's see what we get. This looks not bad at all for a first draft, so we could then assign the meals here. It's not working yet, but we can fix this later. We have the recipe and we have the shopping list, but I don't want it on a single page. So let's correct this. Put the recipes and the shopping list to a separate page and make the meals assignable with the plus button. I will pause again, and I will also do this for the rest of the video, so you don't have to wait every time. Okay, it's still implementing, but a short information for you if you don't have seen it. I use OpenRouter here as provider and use Anthropic with the Claude 0.5 Sonnet model. It's not the cheapest model, but it's, I guess, the best. Still the best for programming tasks at the moment. And yeah, I think it's worth it to use it. Okay, the prompt is now finished. Can check. Yes, the add function is now working. Half working. Does not show the assignment then. Let's check the recipe page. It's here, but we can't click it at the moment. And the shopping list as well is here, but not working. So let's do the assignment is not showing in the calendar after choosing it in the model. Fix that. Recipe page on, click on a recipe, open it and show with all infos. and the shopping list. Put in some mock data and make it also work completely. Hopefully this will fix most of the stuff, but let's see. Okay, we are back, and as you can see, the assignment's now working. Let's try another one. Yep, that's working fine. Let's check the recipe page. Yeah, so we can click one and get a model with all informations. This also looks good. And the shopping list is also working as expected. Okay, share is not working. Export is also not working. And the home button is not working. Let's fix this first. The logo link. Or is it? Oh, it is working. Just not on the start page, which makes sense. What else do we need? I think that's a good first draft. Maybe we want to have a login here on top for later. Implement login icon top right. Without a function, but we want to implement super base auth data. Also show a profile icon for the logged in user. Mock data for now. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, it's nearly done. Okay, we got now this, yeah, sign in button here, and it mocked the sign in. So if you're logged in, we get here the information and a logout button. So this is pretty good. What else do we need? I think it's good for now, but we could implement here for the recipes also import button, so we can import from other cooking websites. Implement an import button on the recipe page to import stuff from other websites like chefkoch.de. Okay, I guess we are done. Let's see. Yeah, we got an import button here. And we can also take a look if it is working. Let's check. Go to chefkoch.de. Let's check a recipe here. Go to share. I'm not sure if this is working with this link, but let's try. We copy it. Close. Go back to Bolt. Paste it here and import. Yeah, it did something, but it did not extract the information from the website, so I guess, is there another export button? No. So let's try to fix this. The import is working, but it just adds a sample recipe and not the actual informations from the given URL. This one. Let's see if it can fix it. Okay, it's done. Let's check. Okay, this is still working. That's good. Let's try again. Paste, import. No, this was not working. Let's see in the dev console if we got a specific error. Okay, let's copy it from here. Paste it in the prompt. Fix the error. Make sure you use the schema.org information from the website. So I quickly checked the source code and it has this schema.org structure where it can get all informations about the recipe, and it should use that to import everything. So let's see if it can fix it. Source code. Okay, we can close the console and we wait. Okay, it's done implementing. Let's check the preview again. Recipes, import. Oh, that was the error. Let's just copy the URL again. Import. This looks better. Looks like it's parsing the page. But takes a little too long in my view. Let's check the console. Ah, we got a course error. As it said here. Oh, yeah. Let's fix it. Fix the course error. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Let's try again. Oh, now we get a 401. What's this? Let's copy this again, paste it. So hopefully it can fix it. Let's quickly check what 401 is. HTTP status code. Ah, that's unauthorized. But I don't know why, because we don't need an authorization for Chef Koch. Let's see. Okay, now it will use another one. All origins.win. Ah, okay. The course it implemented before needed the out and not the Chef Koch version website. Okay. Okay, let's see. Try again. Oh, I misclicked. So let's do it again. But let's clear the dev console so we can see errors. Okay. Again, instant error. Copy paste again. Maybe this was too ambitious trying to import recipes now. I did not test this before, so maybe other page would be better. But normally this should work. I guess it would work outside of the preview as well. So if you deploy it or push it to your host system to Windows and run it there, then I guess it will working. The problem is just inside the preview container. So if it doesn't work, we stop it there and try it in the next video, the next part, because then I will deploy it to Netlify and we can test it out there and see if it works. Let's see. Ah, now it works. Okay, perfect. So it implemented another course provider and everything worked very good. Perfect. Okay, everything working here. Okay, it did not. Again, check. Go here and back, then it's gone, but it's okay for now because we don't have a database behind yet. So this would be maybe part 3. But yeah, then it will save in the database and persist everything, and we can actually use the data, the app. What is not possible because we don't have a persistence layer. Okay, then I would say the next step would be we push it to GitHub, and then we will end the video part 1 here. For GitHub, we need to go to the settings again and go to connection and make sure you have connected your Bolt to your GitHub account. Therefore, you need to paste your GitHub your GitHub access token here and click connect. So I can do it again. Just have to go in again, and then you can click connect, and then we can go back to our code page and click here on top, push to GitHub. Click this. We can give here a name. I will name it YouTube meal planner. I copy it because I need it a second time. I don't make it private for now, so you can access it. Push to GitHub, and it's done. Now we can click view repository and we'll open it directly in GitHub. So everything is there. What we now can do also is here generate a README for the project, because it looks not very good here. So let's go here, create a comprehensive README.md for the project. Let's do this. Okay, it's now implementing the README. Okay, it's done. Let's see where it is. Where's the README file? Here it is. Okay, we got some content here. Let's push it again to GitHub. Put the name here again, the same as before. And click push to GitHub. Yes, we want to add and modify the existing one. That's okay. And it's done. Let's go to the GitHub page again, refresh, and we got our README here with all informations about the project. Okay, perfect. That's it for part 1. As I already said, in the next part I will show you how we can deploy this GitHub project to Netlify and use it for the future. And I guess this third part will be then implementing database. I will use Supabase to make the sign-in working and also persist the recipes and the shopping list, as well as the configuration from the plan in the database so we can reuse it. Thank you very much. This was it for today, and I hope to see you in the next part.